Welcome, here we've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just slide a little bit to the other category, and here at the first base we have the grid option. When we tap on it, we can turn on three kind of grid lines, 3 and 3 or Fibonacci spiral with right or left option. Now let me stay on 3 and 3 to show you how they look like. Let's go back to the camera now, and as you can see we have these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography. Now let's tap again to the left corner, slide a little bit, pick the grid and change it to the Fibonacci spiral with right. And in the camera preview now we can see this spiral. This is also useful when we want to making experiments with composition. Now let's tap again to the left, slide a little bit, pick the grid and change it to the left spiral. So in the camera preview it looks like that. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when we go here to the left to this button that follows us to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we can tap to the left once again, slide a little bit, pick the grid and pick the off option. And for now, the grid lines have gone here in the preview. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.